What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2024 Mazda CX-5 unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. The beginning part of this video, the unlocking and opening, will also apply if the battery in your CX-5 has died. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and our vehicle's locked. So in either one of those scenarios, a dead key fob or a dead vehicle battery, the first thing we're going to want to do is remove the emergency key that's inside of our key fob. So taking a look at our key fob, we see one side has a logo and one side does not. So we're going to take a look at the side that does not have a logo. On the bottom of the key fob, you can see there's this little lever right here that my finger's on. What I'm going to do is press that lever, and then on this back part, I'm just going to push this up just a little bit. It slides up just a little bit, and then this whole cover will pull off like that. And inside of here, we see this key. This is going to be our emergency key. Go ahead and remove that. And I'm going to use this key to unlock the driver's door. So I'll put it in and turn it to the right or clockwise to unlock. And once I unlock it, I'm going to go ahead and throw this key back in just so I don't lose it. So this key will just go in there like that. Flip it over. You can see there's that little circle cut out on the key, and there's a little rubber piece that holds it in place like that. And then we'll put our cover back on. So this cover can only go on here one way. It'll slide on and then it slides down just a little bit to lock into place. Okay, so now that our door's open, we can go ahead and open our door. If your vehicle battery's dead, you can pop the hood, charge it, change it, whatever you need to do. Now let's take a look at how we can get our CX-5 started with a dead key fob. So getting in, if we just try to start the vehicle as we normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key not detected, key fob battery low. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and I'm going to use the top of it to press the stop start button. So press the brake in, then use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. And once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.